Welcome to KIMISUITE, your all-in-one vehicle management solution. In this video, we'll be walking you through how to use the Vehicle Hub app within KIMISUITE. We will be starting by clicking the Vehicle Hub icon on the home screen. When you open the app, you are taken to the Dashboard tab. This is where you'll be able to view all the information about your imported vehicles. However, since we haven't imported any vehicles yet, all the fields are empty. Before importing any vehicles, you'll need to set up a filial. To do this, click on the Filials button at the top of the page. Then, click on Add New Filial. Here, you'll need to fill out the name of the filial. The rest of the information is optional but can be filled out if desired. Once you've filled out your filial information, click Save to save your new filial. To import your vehicles, click on the Import Sources button. This will take you to a page consisting of multiple sources to import vehicles from. Here, you can select which platform you want to import your vehicles from. Choose the desired platform and click on the Activate button to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter your client number and token. Please enter this information carefully, as it's required to authenticate your account. Once you've entered your client number and token, click on the Enable Source button. This will start the import process, and you'll need to wait for a few moments for your vehicles to be imported. Once the import process is complete, you can navigate back to the dashboard to view all your vehicle information. As you can see, all the fields are now populated with your vehicle information. That's a quick tour of how to use the Vehicle Hub app within KIMISUITE. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching.